Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Switch here. And we're just going to jump to Wealthy Affiliate course. And from now on, I'm just gonna focus to do just Wealthy Affiliate. So it's going to be, I'm just gonna bombard you. Like it's going to be fucking avalanche of Wealthy Affiliates video. Just to basically do this as fast as possible. I might even post every video every hour, whatever. Don't really care about like posting every 4 hours to reach more people. I'm just gonna basically upload all this stuff, and obviously you are feel free to use it for free. So it's going to be core training. It's your brand and content, and we are jumping to first lesson, which is to register the domain. And obviously I'm not going to talk anything, so you can actually get what Kyle is going to say.
I'm going to be showing you how to get your initial site over to your own domain name. We are going to be deciding on our brand in this step. So we are going to be registering a domain name and then moving our website over to that brand new domain name. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this. Okay, so here I am down in the website and brand area. You can see that my niche is basketball training programs. I can head over to namey.ai to get all sorts of different .com domain name ideas. Ideally, I want to get a .com. You're going to see some .cos. Sometimes you'll see a .training or a .org. Ideally, you want to continue your search until you find a .com domain name that you like. They will tend to rank higher in search engines. They're more memorable and they seem more legitimate. If you own the .com domain name, it creates a certain level of legitimacy and trust with your audience as well. So let's just say I have decided upon the domain name. Let's go with sharpshooterscamp.com. So say that's the domain that I want. I would head back over here to Wealthy Affiliate, and within your premium level upgrade, if this is your first website or your second website, that domain name is going to be included in your premium level membership. If this is a secondary or a third website, then you can purchase your domains directly here within Wealthy Affiliate, and they'll be connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Get a Domain. And again, my domain name is sharpshootercamp.com. We do not want to buy the domain over here because we get our domains directly here within Wealthy Affiliate. So sharpshootercamp.com. And you're going to see that it's available. So I can click Add to Cart. I'm going to click My Cart and then check out. And you can see I have all sorts of domain names. I'm a bit of a domain hoarder. You likely won't have a big long list of domain names unless you've been here for some time. There's a lot of people that collect domains. They can go up in value just like virtual real estate. So as you establish your domain, you're establishing a brand asset that over time can go up in value. There's a lot of people that make a lot of money buying and selling domains. So there's a big industry there as well. I'm not going to get into that though. So I'm happy with this domain. I'm going to register it for 1 year, and you put your contact email address, and then you are going to choose credits. If you have just upgraded, you're going to have adequate credits here to purchase the domain name. You'll choose your country, and then you will check out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose Canada because I'm located in Canada. There is a 5% tax. If you're located elsewhere in the world, you won't be charged tax. And then I click yes and accept. So that is the process of purchasing a domain. I'm just going to complete this. I'm going to own Sharpshooter Camp, after I'm done here, and then I'm going to move that website over to the domain name. So this is just going to take a second. It says from 30 minutes to 24 hours between the time that you've registered your website until it's ready to install. It's usually much quicker than that. If I go to my domain names and click to go to my domains and I go to Sharp, I'll do a search here, shooter. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna, oh, there it is. Your domain name is registered and it will be ready soon. So you can wait on this page until it is ready, or you can come back in a little bit. And once it's ready, we are going to be able to move our existing website over to this domain name. So when I come back here, this will be completed and we're going to be moving our initial site Rubik's site over to our new domain. Okay, so you can see that domain is now ready. It says ready and then on right beside it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head to the websites tab here at the top and then head over to the site manager. And at the top, you're going to see sharpshooterscamp.com, and you're also going to see you're going to be able to find the domain name that you want to move. In this case, I want to move basketballtrainingprograms.siterubix.com over to my domain name that does not have a website on it yet. Now, you're not going to have all of these different websites if you're just starting out. You might have many websites if this is not your first website, but I just wanted to point out that the site that you want to move is the one that you're going to want to find first, and that's the same one that you are going to find within your hub. basketballtrainingsprogram.siterubix.com matches, I'm just going to pop back here just to clarify for you that basketballtrainingprograms.siterubix.com is the one that we're going to want to move to our new domain name. I'm going to head back up to websites, site manager, and then I'm going to go to basketballtrainingprograms.siterubix.com. So I'm going to click the move button associated with this website. So I'm going to click move. And then because we've already purchased our domain name is to an existing domain that we have. And then I am going to choose from my massive list of domain names. It's going to be down at the bottom because I just purchased it. So Sharpshooter Camp. And then I'm going to click I'm ready, move my website. And it's just saying that your old website is going to be deleted and your new website is going to be the one on this particular domain. So the old website is basically just being moved, but where that old website used to be is no longer going to exist on that site Rubik's domain. That's what it's saying. So I'm going to click continue to move. And it says basketballtrainingprograms.siterubix.com has been scheduled to be moved to Sharpshooter Camp. Now, I can head back to the site manager, and what we can do is we can check and see if this, I'm going to refresh here, refresh the browser, and you can see that now this website looks to be live. So it just takes a few minutes. You may need to refresh your browser. And then I'm going to click on the website. And now you can see there is that active website now on this domain name. So moving forward, I'm going to be able to build out my website on my own branded domain name. Again, it's going to lead to quicker rankings in search engines, our ability to join affiliate programs because many of them require us to have a domain. And now I have my own brand asset. Sharpshootercamp.com is a website that I can build out moving forward now. So that is the process of registering your domain name and moving your old website over to your new domain name. Now, if I head back to hubs, and you are going to see under my niche basketball training programs, I'm going to view this hub. It has now been updated automatically to point to Sharpshooter Camp com. So that has automatically been updated as well. Yours will too. So if you have any questions about anything I've discussed within this particular lesson, jump into the comments, leave any questions that you have, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Congratulations on your domain name, and I really look forward to seeing your brand evolve and become an authority as you move forward. Cheers.
Okie dokie. Thank you very much, Kyle. So see you guys in the next video. Like I said, I don't really want to talk much. I just want to focus on it because that's supposed to be done already and it's not. So take care and see you next one.